another video. It's Rachel here. So we have the Diamondboxx XL3. We've gone through all the octaves and now it is time to do a sweep test from 20 to 20,000 hertz. The ears are officially bleeding and dying, so let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, my eardrums, I don't know what you saw down there, but wow, my eardrums are going berserk at the moment. I am out. This is it. Good job, Diamondboxx, but I'm out. If you like this video, go to thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe.